Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start or continue the chapter Rational Numbers in NCERT book class 8th, and it will be helping for class 7th also. But yesterday I have done two parts of exercise 1.1, question number 1, part 1 and part 2. So we are going to continuing exercise 1.1, question number 2, and all the parts on. We can go every question that we want. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to just share my screen as, yeah. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it. So this is our question. Write the additive inverse of each. So our first part is 2 by 8. So 2 by 8, you know that 2 by 8 plus 2 by 8, and we just go to minus 0. So plus minus minus, so it will be 2 by 8 and minus. Or I've just done the wrong thing. I'm so sorry. I'm just going to erase this as it's wrong. Yeah. So in 2 by 8, we are going to do that. In 2 by 8, when you know that additive inverse of each number that we go. I think I have written the wrong question in the book. In the book it says, yeah, so 2 by 8, it will be minus 2 by 8, as additive inverse means that positive will be becoming minus in the negative. Now we go to the second part. In the second part is minus 5 by 9, which will be equal to 5 by 9. Same rule will be applied, that the minus rule will be equal to plus rule. As we go like that plus 5 by 9. I'm so sorry guys. Yeah. So plus 5 by 9 and minus 5 by 9 is equal to 0, as plus minus is equal to minus and minus minus 0. So when additive inverse comes 0, that means that it will become positive, or will negative to positive or positive to negative. Okay, so now I will erase this, as you know. Yeah. Third, we are taking minus 6 by minus 5. So let's give minus 6 by minus 5 is equal to minus 6 by 5. How? Like that minus 6 by minus 5 will be minus by minus 6 by 5. So minus plus is equal to, then minus 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 is equal to minus, and it will be minus and minus plus, so 5. So the answer is this. Now we go to the fourth part, which is uh yeah which is yeah the fourth part is 2 by 9. So it will be minus 2 by 9, I think. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, 2 by minus 9 is equal to minus 2 by 9. We'll be adding or subtracting minus from this by taking this. So yeah, see that 2 by minus 9 will be taking, so it will be 2 by 9. Now 2 by 9 has come, and now we will be doing that we have taken minus from this. Now we'll go to this, that minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 minus 2, like that, or into 2, or into, we'll do into. So it's into, and the answer is minus 2. So it will be so it will be this minus 2 by 9. That's why I'll just erase this. If my concepts are wrong, then please tell me in the comments. As I'm very tired today. Seriously, guys, I'm very tired today. But I'm still making a video so that you don't miss any of my classes. Now, the last part, which is the fifth part, is 19 by minus 6. So is equal to, so it will be is equal to, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. So it will be 19 by 6. Yeah. And the reason behind is that we have minus 1 from the 6, like minus 1 into minus 6, which will be equal to 6, as minus minus is equal to plus. So I hope you have completely understood that what I have explained. If my some have become wrong, became wrong, but I have still corrected them. If my corrections are still wrong, then you can ask from your parents, or it's good. Yeah. So we are going to the next question, and I'm just changing the ink of this. Yeah. So it's question number 3, and no. Okay, so question number 3 says, one minute, I'm just checking the book. Sorry, I was checking book again and again. Yeah, I'm just checking the book. So question number 3 says that verify that minus in bracket x is equal to x. So first is x is equal to 11 by 15 in minus x is equal to x. So we will take x is equal to minus bracket minus 11 by 15, which is equal to minus plus, so it will be plus 11 by 15. So 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. So this is the answer and this is the question, and they are both same. So this is verifying that it will become negative or positive. So it becomes positive. Now let's go to the next question. So this is the first part of this. Now the second part is that x is equal to minus 13 by 17. So inputting into minus x is equal to x. So x will be equal to a lot of minus. So minus a big bracket minus 13 by 17, and then again a big bracket. 1 minute. I'm just erasing this part. Now I'm taking this lasso select. No. Sorry, I'm just doing this. Yeah. Mel. Oh. Yeah. I'm just going to push this up, and I like this as in this is my favorite. I'm just erasing this for time wasting it. Now, so it's a big bracket again. So long big bracket. Now, so it will be my minus plus. So the integers rule, right? That minus is equal to plus, then minus is equal to minus, and plus is equal to plus. You know the rule, right? So please. I don't know why I am just being so weird today. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, this is the rule, right? This is 17, not 7. Yeah, so it will be minus 13 by 17, then a big bracket. So it will be minus is equal to plus, and plus minus is equal to minus. So it will be minus 13 by 17. So this is the answer, and it will be equal to minus 13 by 17. So this is the answer. So LHS is equal to RHS. So in both the equations, we have figured out that they are both equal to each other. Now let's go to the next question, which is question number 4. Yeah. And then if we done the whole and then if you done the whole chapter with exercises, then I will teach you guys, or I will show you guys that how I make notes by graphics tablet, and I will show you that how I use the graphics tablet, and just so we need to complete the questions by today. Yeah, let's change the ink color. I don't know what's happening. 1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys, technical difficulties. So let's continue from where we have left. So question number 4, and it says that write the multiplicative inverse. So we write the multiplicative inverse of each. So write the multiplicative inverse of each. Yeah, 1 second, guys. I'm just coming back. Yes, guys, I'm just about to switch on my camera. Yeah, so now let's get started. Now let's see. Yeah, guys, wait a sec. So we are going to start question number 4. Question number 4, part 1. So in question number 4, first is minus 13. Minus 13. It's minus 13. So minus 13 will be, so see, minus 13. And since there's only one number, not any denominator, not zero, nothing. So we are going that minus 1 by 13. Yeah. So the minus thing came to this as that minus 1 into 13 is equal to minus 13. So as minus plus is equal to minus, so it will be minus 13. So by this question, we have reached that minus 1 by 13. Now let's go to the next part. Yeah. In the next part is yes, guys. So in the next part is minus 13 by 19. So minus 13 by 19. So it will be minus 13 by 19, which will be equal to minus 19 by 13 as the reciprocal. But I have told you that when we just minus 1 in these, so this was another method, and in the multiplicative inverse we see that this but in this that we have taken the reciprocal and only the numbers have changed. As in reciprocal, let's take the example of minus 2 by 3, which will be equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus will be there, but numbers will be changed. Easy, simple, right? Simple. Yeah. So let's go to next question. Yeah. So the third one is 1 by 5, which is equal to minus 5. How? You know the rules, right? Minus 1 into 5, which will be equal to minus 5. And it was positive and it became negative. Now, fourth one, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1. 1 by 1, sorry, plus 1. So I'll put the plus sign here. Plus 1. As 1, so 1 into minus 1 into 1 has become minus 1. So it will be again. So then plus 1, then plus 1 is equal to plus. Yeah. So it becomes positive. Negative to positive, positive to negative, it's like this. Now we are just going to the fifth part, which is minus 56, which is yeah which is 56 by, so in the fifth part is 56 by it's 56. I'm so sorry, I'm just pausing it, pausing again and again, but it's 56 by 15. Yeah. I think we have done. No, 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 we have not done. We have done the sixth and the seventh one. So the sixth one is, the answer is 5 by 2, as in it's been as yeah, so is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 by 5, so minus minus plus, and the reciprocal is 5 by 2. The last part is minus 1, as in that minus 1 has always a minus 1, no reciprocal with that. So, the answer. So, yes, guys, we have done the question number 4, and we are just left with 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can done. We can do this. Yeah, we can do this. No hurry, as I have summer vacations and we have done this chapter in our school. I will not tell my school. Now, yeah. And please let me know in the comments that what do you want. You want my how I take notes, or I continue with the 7th or 6th science chapter. I think so. I will do with the how I take notes, or I can see. Okay. And I just need to change the ink color into black and a little thicker. Yeah. So we are going to question number 5, as we have done the 4. 5 and we are writing that yeah. Name the property under multiplication and which each following. So it's first, second, and third. So you need to find the properties. So question number 5. Find the properties. So first one. So the first one is 1 as the multiplicative identity. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Yeah. Then we go to second part, which is the yeah. So it's commutative property. And the third one is the multiplicative inverse property. So the multiplicative inverse. So we have done the question number 5 also. It has no rules, no regulation, just find the properties and we are good to go. It's easy, right? Rational numbers is very easy. And when we have done all this, then we will do a brief on this, okay? Question number 6. So, question number 6, that multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So it says that we need to do the reciprocal of this and multiply by this. So it will be 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. So it will be 96 by 91 minus 96 by 91. So this is the answer. Let's go to the 8th question. As 7th question is not in the syllabus, and yeah. Question 8. That is 8 by 9 is 8 by 9 multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8, and why or why not? So 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse because the product of this is not equal. So the product of this is not equal. Yeah. So we have done the question number 6 and question number 8. Where we have left with question number 9, 10, and 11. So we are skipping 10 and 7. We're skipping 10 and 7, so it's not in the syllabus. It will come at grade 11th or 12th, as it's very high advanced. So that is why. We go to question number 9 now, 9 and 11, and we are done. So in 9, that is 0 is 0.3 is 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3, 1 by 3, and why not? So we just do like this, that 0.3 into 3, 1 by 3. So it's technically 3 by 10 into 10 by 3, which is 1. So therefore its multiplicative inverse of this is the multiplicative inverse of 0.3. And now question number 11 is only the fill in the blanks, which we can do in the copy or in the book also, so we don't need to do. Yeah, and we are done with the calculations and the number line representations. It's also very easy, but we are not doing that, as we are done with the main thing that ma'am will ask. But we can do some of them, like 1, 2, 4 and 5, 7. We can do that. So in question number 1.2, question number 1, and first part says that find 7 by 4 on a number line. So 7 by 4 into mixed fraction is 1, 3 by 4. So it will be between so this is our number line, very big number line between this. So 0, 1 and 2, as it's between 1 and 2. Yeah, so we will go as like this. Oh. Yeah, like 1 by 4, 2 by 4. 3 by 4, and this will be 4 by 4. I think so the number line is very big, so we are doing it a little small. So let's make it again. I'm so sorry. I'll just take a marker, and now just make a number line. So it will be 0, 1 and 2. Now I'll take this 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 1 is equal to 4 by 4. Then 5 by 4, 6 by 4, and then 10 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, 10 by 4. It goes like that. Now we can find 7 by 4 is this part. 1, 3 by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. Yeah, this is the answer. Now go to the second part. Yeah, in the second part, to find minus 5 by 6 on a number line. So it's a negative, so it will always go to the left of 0. Sorry, to the left of 0. So it will be 0, then minus 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 6 by 6, and 7 by 6, and it goes on. I'll just put the minus for no confusion. And you see that there is the 5 by 6. Yeah, so there's a 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Not 5 by 6, but minus 5 by 6. Now we go to question number 2. Now we go to question number 2. So in question number 2 is asking 1 minute, guys. I just erase this off. Yeah. And question 2 is saying that a is equal to minus 2 by 11, b is equal to minus 5 by 11, and c is equal to minus 9 by 11. So it will be between, you see, it will be continued by left of the 0. So this is our very big lumber line with 0, and just goes on and ends. Okay, so this is our number line. Then we start from this, that 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11, 9 by 11, 10 by 11, 11 by 11, and then minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to, this will be counted as 11 by 11. So this, just put some the minus for representation. Yeah. So it's asking that minus 2 by 11 is A, then 5 by 11 is B, and 9 by 11 is C. So therefore, so we have completed this question also. Question number 2. Now we're left with 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. So we are doing 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Now let's go to question number 4, I think. Find the rational numbers between minus 2 by 5. Yeah. Question number 5. So it's asking that in question number 5, that find the rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now it's Therefore, the LCM of this 3 and 5 is 15. So we're just starting that. So yeah. So 2 by 3 into 5 5 is 10 by 15. Then 4 by 5 into 3 by 3, which is equal to 12 by 15. So I've done this now. Then 10 by 15 into 4 by 4, it's 40 by 60, and 12 by 15 into 4 by 4, it's 48 by 60. So we'll do that. 10 by 15 into 4 by 4 is equal to 40 by 60, and 12 by 15 into 4 by 4 is equal to 48 by 60. So 40 to 48. So there are 5 rational numbers between them. So it's 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45 by 6. So it's 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we have done the whole question answers of rational numbers, and then we are going to do a brief on them. So let's get started. Yeah. As we have done all of the question and answers, maybe some, maybe all of them. Yeah. So rational numbers are closed under operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication. I'm so sorry, guys. Again, technical difficulties. I will come back. Yes, guys, I'm back again for technical difficulties. I'm so sorry. Now we are just taking some brief notes that Q as represented as rational numbers, and they are closed under addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So I'm using the operations. I'll take the, oh god, I'm taking the highlighter in color, and I'll just highlight all of this. So they are closed under, rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So now we are, yeah. So second point is that commutative for rational numbers is associative for rational numbers. So commutative property for rational numbers and associative property for rational numbers. Just highlight this also as they're important, and I'm very sorry for bad handwriting, and because I'm using OneNote and my graphics tablet that I'll show you tomorrow 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. I will upload my next video. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I always tell you that click on the bell icon next bit. So for rational numbers, 0 is the additive identity, and for rational numbers 1 is for multiplicative identity. Now additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse is like this, that additive inverse is a by b is minus a by b, and multiplicative inverse is that a by b is equal to b by a as the reciprocal. I'll just highlight this. Because by highlighting this, it makes my notes very colorful. Just trust me. I will show you in the next video or tomorrow that how I make notes and some and science chapter continuation. Yeah, so thank you guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it, and please please subscribe and never going to miss my videos, please. So bye.